Every day, we constantly adjust our lights to keep them in sync with us.
Hey, hon, you left the lights on.
Hey, can you turn off the lights?
But I just got in bed.
But it's on your side.
Introducing ORRO, the first light switch that makes it so you never have to think about your lights again. ORRO responds to your presence with the light you need. It adapts to you by learning which lighting you like in different moments. With ORRO, your lights are in tune with your life. Whatever the time of day or night, for every moment of your life, let ORRO get the lights.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
There's an amazingly powerful device that lets you control your entire home right from the palm of your hand. It's your phone. Thanks to the new smart lighting controls from the Radiant collection. Now you can conveniently control lamps, small appliances, and whole house lighting from anywhere with just a word or a touch. It's app and voice-based technology that integrates with leading smart home products, delivering the ultimate in control. Radiant's low-profile switches and outlets from Legrand seamlessly pull your house together. No more ugly screws. Just a clean design in stylish color options. But it's not just getting by on good looks. With today's smartest technology built right into every smart switch and outlet, Radiant makes your home even smarter. It installs easily with your existing wiring, and the app lets you control single devices or simply set the perfect mood. Get complete control from wherever you are, save energy, or choose a lighting scene. Put yourself in the driver's seat on security, knowing your home is secure and looks occupied even when you're away. What's more, you can also light things up for your arrival. Make life even more fun by taking complete creative control of your family's most magical moments. So, what's the amazing device that delivers security, convenience, energy savings, and complete home lighting control? The smart lighting controls from the Radiant collection. Live with more style. Live with more control. Live more Radiant.
Someone left the lights on at home. Don't waste time worrying about who, because Etekcity's smart dimmer switch gives you complete control of your lights, even if you've already left the house. That way, you don't have to turn the car around just because the lights were left on. With the smart dimmer switch, you can enjoy hands-free control of your lights through Alexa or Google Assistant, so you don't have to stumble around in the dark for the light switch.
Alexa, turn the lights on.
One of the switch's most versatile features is its dimmer function. You can adjust the brightness of your lights to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Whether you're trying to create the right mood, trying to finish that book you can't put down, or watching a horror movie that's a little too scary.
Alexa, turn the lights up!
Set schedules for when you want your lights to turn on and off. Your lights can automatically turn on when the sun goes down, or they can turn on when you get back from work, so you're greeted by a fully lit home. Maybe all you need is a quick power nap. Set a timer that turns the light off while you're sleeping, so the lights wake you up when they turn back on. No matter what the situation is, Etekcity's smart dimmer switch is the perfect smart product to upgrade your home and make your life easier.
Say hello to WeMo Dimmer, the smart dimmer that makes your life truly comfortable. The WeMo Dimmer is versatile. Control it like a regular switch. From the WeMo app, or give power to your voice.
Turn on movie lighting.
You can also set schedules to make your life easier. And protect your eyes at night with night mode. Or get your home vacation ready for peace of mind with away mode.
Turn off the bedroom.
Introducing Karo Smart Switch to make your busy life easier. The Smart Switch turns your existing ceiling fan into a smart fan.
Alexa, turn the fan speed to level 3.
It works with Google Home, Alexa, and Siri. The Smart Switch can replace any existing switches for your ceiling fan. Karo Smart Switch can be also controlled with the Karo Home app on your smartphone. Control your fans and lights however you want to with just a few finger taps.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Karo. Smart life stays in motion.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.